Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our maths work. So students, open your math copies. Today we are going to learn and write table of 2. So students, write date and day on the top of the page. As you know, you write date on the left side and day on the right side of your page. Leave one block and write table of 3 in the center of your page. Draw margin lines very neatly. One class you already learned 1 to 5 tables in your prep class. So do you remember table of 3? Okay, let me write table of 3. Write 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. So students, let me tell you where these numbers come from. So students, if you add 3 one time, it will give you 3. If you add 3 two times, it means 3 plus 3, it will give you 6. If you add 3 three times, it means 3 plus 3 plus 3, it will give you 9. If you add 3 four times, means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it will give you 12. 1 to 12. When you add 3 5 times, means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. 1 2 3 4 5, it will give you 15. Same as students, when you add 3 6 times, it will give you 18. When you add 3 7 times, it will give you 21. When you add 3 8 times, it will give you 24. When you add 3 9 times, it will give you 27. When you add 3 10 times, it will give you 30. So students, I think you will understand it more carefully, and so students, write it very neatly on your classwork, and it's your homework to do the practice of this table and write it in homework too. Thank you students. Take care. पढ़ते जाओ, बढ़ते जाओ, आगे बढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.